Alright guys, so the official test track looking like in here. No one updated the cars. We're going around right now. Next to this nice bar. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. A lot of twists and turns. It's new and updated, as you can see. A lot of new features of everything. I can't wait to get on the actual ride. I'm so excited, people. Like, really, totally excited for this. It looks amazing in here. I love everything. I didn't even get on the actual ride as yet. So, once I'm on the ride, I'll check back in with you guys. So we're going through this thingy, go around, and then going through here. I guess this is where we wait to get on. About to see what this is about. About to go to seatbelt check, and then we'll be on our way.
Hello! The seatbelt check is around the corner. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Gotta hold my phone firm. Seatbelt check.
Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the test track.
I've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now, we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises. Nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's try another. Ooh, I look good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free. New ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
Our test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to switch gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road.
I loved it.
You see what I did there? Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.